In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your ESPN Plus subscription on Roku. Step 1. Go to the Roku website. Open a web browser and visit roku.com. Log in to your Roku account. Step 2. Navigate to Manage Subscriptions. From your account dashboard, select Manage your subscriptions to see active services. Step 3. Select ESPN Plus. Find ESPN Plus in your active subscriptions list and select it. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Click on Cancel subscription and confirm when prompted to terminate your ESPN subscription. Step 5. Confirmation and access. After your cancellation, you will retain access until the end of your current billing cycle. Now I have some tips for you. ESPN subscriptions built via other platforms, for example Apple, Google, or the ESPN website, must be cancelled there instead of through Roku. Canceling does not remove the ESPN app, so if you want to remove the ESPN app, you have to delete it separately. Keep confirmation emails or screenshots as proof of cancellation. And that is how you cancel your ESPN Plus subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.